The Windows version of the software can be easily downloaded from the Microsoft Store. The Android version can be downloaded from the Google Play Store. The customer receives the free trial version and can use it for 30 days. After that, the user can purchase the required licenses in the in-app shop. EasyTouch can be used on Windows PCs as well as on Android tablets. In both cases, the user operates the scales via the tablet or the PC. By using the scale via the PC or tablet, the weighing process can be carried out more safely and supported with more data. For example, the software can be set so that each user must identify himself in order to be able to trace weighing data unambiguously. Even the basic license includes all basic weighing functions, such as the weighing itself, as well as towering, zeroing, or the selection of weighing units such as grams, kilograms, or carat. The use of EasyTouch has great advantages, especially in data storage. In all functions, the three weighing data, gross, net, and tare, are always stored as well as the user, date, time, and the scale used. These weighing data are stored in the tamper-proof dynamic memory, where the weighing data are unchangeable. Weighing objects for all functions can be stored in the central master data memory. In addition to an image, a variety of properties can be added to these objects, such as a fixed tare value or a piece counter value. Specify target weight, accept tolerance or redefine, precise weighing thanks to dosing aid, and finish. Accurate dosing can be that easy. Recipes can be created in EasyTouch and made unchangeable via defined access permissions. Normal users can use the recipe and are guided step by step through the recipe process, which largely eliminates errors. The dosing aid helps to achieve exact target quantities. The correction function can subsequently correct overfilling. Free batch information can be entered for each component or for the result recipe. This information is stored with the recipe in a tamper-proof manner. A recipe can be paused and recalled later. A formulation can be carried out on several scales. Fill container with parts. Call up object. Set up and read counting result, and done. Counting can be done that fast. This is possible with stored counting objects, with stored pre-tare value and reference weight of the counting part. The user can decide which data fields are printed. In the settings, the user can decide whether unstable weighing values may be stored and printed or not. The printout can be displayed with the address and logo of the user. EasyTouch combines the performance of KERN scales with the flexibility of a Windows or Android environment. The central storage location of all weighing values from different users in an EasyTouch network is the basis for data exchange of weighing or counting results with an ERP system or any other third-party system that processes these processed data.